Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ke mdaka baba subscribe, like video, share video. Usubscribe mangabe akasubscribe at all. Kodwa like, please you do like all the videos, help your sister to grow the channel. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed, and you make sure you watch the videos and you like ama video as well. Ubuka nama ads. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mdaka baba, ngiyabonga. So kule video ngizothanda ukudlulisa indaba ezingekho mnandi bafethu. Indaba ezingekho mnandi angizithandi, but you know abantu sebeloko bashonile. I'm like angizithandi lezi zindaba mina. Manje besakhuluma ngodubula odlule emhlabeni ukuthi udutshiliwe, and then mangithi ngiyathi ke mangifika endlini ngibona kune story ska ubaba uMngomezulu bafethu olilawyer lapha when it comes to Senzo Meyiwa trial. Ngibona kune story estrendayo in all publications ukuthiwa ke ukushaqise abaningi kushona kukaMeli kwelika Meyiwa, and this is uMngomezulu, uThulani Mngomezulu bafethu kuthiwa he is no more. Like, I'm shocked, man. Why is people dying so much nowadays? Oh Nkosi yami, like what is happening? So Thulani Mngomezulu is no more. Remember guys, he's an advocate lapha when it comes to Senzo Meyiwa made a trial. Kuthiwa ke kushaqisa abaningi ke bafethu izindaba zokudlula emhlabeni kwa-advocate Thulani Mngomezulu ongomunye wabameli ecaleni lokubulawa kwaye ngonozinti we-Orlando Pirates neBafana Bafana. Ngokuthola kwephepha ke lo mmeli ushone ekuseni namhlanje. Okhulumela umndeni yabasolwa kuNkosikazi Sinqobele Maphisa enkundleni yakhe izixhumana uqale wabhala ukuthi waze wasilahla uNkulunkulu. Le nkulumo ilandele eyesibili lapha beqinisekisa khona ukuthi uMngomezulu akasekho emhlabeni. So eshiyane, it is so sad bafethu, really sad. So advocate Mngomezulu ushone ezintatha zanamhla ngaphambi kokuthi inkantolo iqale. Uqhube wathi imininingwane eyengeziwe izolandela uma umndeni usubanikele ke imvume yokuthi baphawule. Bese kunesikhathi uMngomezulu engekho enkantolo ngenxa yokugula. Ngesikhathi kuqala ukugula kwakhe wayelokho ecela ukuthi lihlehliswe uqulwa kwecala ngenxa yokungazizwa kahle. Ijaji uRatha Mokgatlheng ubeye akhombise ukunengwa yilokho kanti uyagula ngempela uMngomezulu bafethu. uMngomezulu ugcine ecela ozakwabo ukuba bamele exinwa ukugula engasakwazi ukuza enkantolo. Ube akhale ngekhanda nangokugodola. Ubemele ke ummangalelwa wokuqala umuzika ukhulelwa Sibiya. So that was umuzika ukhulelwa Sibiya, the accused number 1 lawyer uadvocate Thulani Mngomezulu kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni bafethu. Ke kusho ukuthi ke izindaba ezigcwele sisazozithola njengoba besho bafethu umndeni usadinga that legal privacy nyana bezokwazi to come into terms of his passing. Like I was even shocked when I saw the story. uThulani Mngomezulu kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni bafethu ubeloke ngabonakala enkantolo loke khala ngokugula. Yamazi uJaji Ratha Mokgatlheng uyathanda ukuloke esola bafethu, thanda ukuloke esola umuntu mayilovile kanti ngempela umuntu uyagula. So kwaze kwakubi bafethu izindaba zokudlula emhlabeni ka-advocate Mngomezulu azikho nhle neze. So I'm trying to go laphana ka Sunday World. I think I saw something like that when it comes to the Sunday World, as the story is everywhere kuthiwa akasekho ummeli when it comes to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. uThulani Mngomezulu, the said lawyer in Senzo Meyiwa trial, has died. Poor Mngomezulu, hey? Thulani Mngomezulu, the attorney for one of the defendants in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, has passed away. Mngomezulu passed away on Tuesday morning after suffering from an undisclosed illness. He had been involved in the case since October 2023 when it was tried in a trial within a trial at the Pretoria High Court. A family spokesperson, Udumisile Mngomezulu, confirmed the death following weeks of the legal eagle watching the court proceedings online because of his illness. It is with sadness that we announce the passing of our beloved husband, father and son, said Dumisile. We confirm his untimely passing in the early hours of the 10th December 2024. Namhlanje nje bafowethu, just in case you're watching the video tomorrow. At Morerane Hospital in Vosloorus, east of Johannesburg. In this time of grief, we ask for your compassion, space and time to congregate as a family to decide on the upcoming days. We thank you for your love and support in advance and ask that you continue to keep us in your prayers. Mngomezulu has been reportedly ill for some time and had court proceedings halted due to ill health. As a sign of his poor health, he has been wearing a face mask in court since October. He then consulted a doctor and was booked off for more than half a week. The details were revealed by the state prosecutor George Baloyi, who detailed that Mngomezulu needed sick leave for October 2022 to 2025. What I am writing to respectfully request for Mr. Mngomezulu to be excused from court between October 22 and 25, 2024. Unfortunately, he is unable to attend court due to a serious illness, said Ubaloyi. Ubaloyi further said Mngomezulu's team submitted a medical certificate that confirmed that he was examined by a doctor. Mngomezulu's health took a knock at the time when the lead investigator was to continue with his testimony. Shame, man. The attorney for the first accused in the Senzo Mewa trial, Thulani Mngomezulu, has suffered ill health that halted court proceedings to Monday. So now he has passed away, allegedly. I see the story going around. Kutiwa akasekho bafethu ubaba advocate Thulani Mngomezulu ubeli lawyer lika Budi accused number 1 umuzika ukhulelwa Sibiya, which is so sad. Poor Mngomezulu bafethu, shame, man. May he so rest in peace. I'll make sure I update you. Thank you so much for the video, like, subscribe, share. So, bye.